guys, so I'm planning this simple prank on Rico today. He asked me to season up to clean up some chicken for him, and he's very skeptic when it comes to cleaning his chicken. Like, he wants it perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave like some of the feathers on the chicken. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. So as you see, I have like some water there, some meat there, water for vinegar. So here is like some of the chicken. So I deliberately leave some of the wings. I have some drums here that I'm gonna do some of them also. I'm not gonna clean everything, so I'm gonna deliberately leave the tall feathers on them and get his reaction. Okay, that's the chicken. It's seasoned. I'm saying it's seasoned, it's cleaned. I only have a couple pieces in it that I left deliberately, so I have them in vinegar and lime water, so I'm gonna see. Yeah, Rico already look has me hungry.
What? You say nothing yet? No TV shadow?
No, I thought you say she wants soup, so I make some soup.
Because I never know, so you know, take off the meat off and water and look like that.
No, I have vinegar in.
So what me see say, you have fish, you have whole steam fish.
I swear.
No, chicken, because you have
No, Rico.
the
Axial finish.
I'm not definitely not again be.
So you want me clean up before?
You don't matter. That's the way I do it. You want me to piece it up more.
I thought it's egg good. No, seriously, I didn't see them eating already, because you see, me need to go work out now and
No, what is the time about work out?
Because I need something to eat.
Who's that baby? Who's that? No, that's not all. I don't think time, man. Yeah, I fish and no make
I even take out Rico, but if you ever see what that deal with, you know, you take.
You're not gonna eat that.
Need what?
That.
You know, see fish tough.
But how to feel?
Nah.
I can't look out. You can't clean up, you could have do it.
See everything.
You wash them already?
I vinegar the pan them.
Well, you clean them already?
Then clean up. I just vinegar the pan them.
But say you clean them.
God,
That may ask if you don't want to go vinegar, I'm saying clean.
You know why I clean to you?
I mean, I don't know if you're to clean up, but see if I fat them, see the pan. You clean up it?
Me think you like let me fat them when you're a jerk. You don't let me fat them when
Where do you know what I'm about to get them about to do it? You know, you clean because you have to get them for them. Nothing, we can't do that. You would never get them like that. You don't clean up it. If you don't clean up it, tell me no more.
Me clean up if you just never see that.
But the other one like that.
Rico, which next one like that?
But if you don't clean meat, no one can make it. I'm not going to
Here.
Are we talking?
No, swear. Me clean up the meat, Rico. If you find one like that, what will we do?
Come on, this is a lot. I'm not like a one.
Where lad?
50 feather.
Where's 50 feather?
If you let me carry on, I'm not drink too much.